Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and Suzy sheep talking on the phone.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw the eyes of Suzy sheep. And then the phone that she is holding. I draw the shape of her head. Then I finish her face with her mouth, nose, and cheek. And also her little ears. I also draw her hand and then her body. I draw her legs and shoes. And I finish with her cute tail. Now let's draw the phone. It has a curly cord. This phone is very old. It looks like an old phone. Have you ever seen a phone like this? Probably your mom and dad have seen something like this. I put it on the table. Then I draw a bubble that shows that Peppa is away. I draw Peppa's eyes and nose. And then the shape of her head with her mouth, nose, and cheek. She is also holding a phone right now. Peppa is the one talking, and Suzy the sheep is listening. Great job!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
To start, I'm going to use this pink for Suzy's nose and dress. Suzy is one of Peppa Pig's best friends, and they like to talk on the phone. Now let's color Suzy's phone with this beautiful red marker. I add some light red for her details. Now I use this light pink to color her cheek, and I'm going to use the same tone for Peppa's skin. I use a little light purple for Peppa's cheek and a little fuchsia for the mouth. I color Peppa's dress with a bright red marker. Now I color Peppa's phone with this mint color. For the buttons, I use different colors like yellow, purple, and red, orange, green. After that, I colored the table with brown and use some orange for the floor. Wow, how adorable!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.